Now, which programming language should I learn first? Python is always recommended if you are looking for an easy and even fun programming language to learn first. Rather than having to jump into strict syntax rules, Python reads like English and is simple to understand for someone who's new to programming. Now, is Python for free? Python is a free open source programming language that is available for everyone to use. It is also has a hug and growing ecosystem with a variety of open source packages and libraries. If you would like to download and install Python on your computer, you can do for free at python.org. Is Python high level? In software engineering world, Python is understood as a high level interpreted general purpose language. Other languages turn into assembly when compiled and run directly in the processor. Hence, being an interpreted language which is not subject to processor makes Python a high level language. Is Python better than C? Now, Python has very fewer keywords and more free English language syntax, whereas C is far more difficult to write and maintain. Hence, if you want an easy development process, go for Python. Performance Python is much slower than C as Python takes significant CPU time for interpretation. Can I learn Python without knowing C? You can easily start if you have some basic know how of English and mathematics. Students still start with a procedural set of statically typed languages like C, C++, Java or Pascal. Students can still choose Python as their first language even without any programming background. Should I learn C or Python first? Definitely learn Python. C is IMO, a more useful language. Certainly, it will give you a better understanding of computers. But Python will help you more starting out. I would say that it isn't important when you learn C as long as you learn it at some point and before you tackle certain subjects like OS. Can I learn C and Python at the same time? Yes, you can learn both of them simultaneously. But yes, it is recommended that you learn C first and then Python, as C is the first language that most of the people learn, and also it's very easy to learn. Python is easy to learn too. Just understand the concepts and work your way around different problems. Is C++ better than Python? The performance of C++ and Python also comes to an end with this conclusion. C++ is much faster than Python. After all, Python is an interpreted language and it cannot be a match for a compiled language such as C++. The good news is that you can get the best of both worlds by combining C++ and Python code. Is Python harder than C++? Python is easy to learn and easy to put in practice. When compared to C++, which becomes harder as we advance through its features. Another advantages of Python is its libraries that allow us to write any functionality, especially data analysis and machine learning. So popularity wise, Python scores over C++. Should I learn C++ after Python? If you know C++, it will not take long before you can start writing Python programs. If you know Python, then you already have a good grasp of most of the concepts. C++ can further help you in understanding memory, management, concurrency, and pointers, etc. Therefore, it's a wise idea to learn both.